The devastating power of nature is laid bare, as the once vibrant landscapes of Los Angeles succumb to the flames. Each story reveals the harrowing reality of those caught in the inferno's grip. Understanding the factors that led to this disaster is crucial for prevention. The human cost of wildfires is immeasurable, with lives forever altered. The financial impact reverberates through the community, affecting livelihoods and futures. Together we must rise to meet these challenges, ensuring a safer future for all.